Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin my AI on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on Snapchat Plus. And here you can see my AI. It is currently unpinned. You simply need to click here, and now it is pinned. So let me show you how you can access. So let me go back. Here you need to click on this message icon, and here you can see my AI on the top. So it will always remain on the top until you unpin this. So this is the process by which you can pin my AI on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.